right at the end. See the lighthouse?
Yeah.
That lighthouse.
Yeah.
We'll get closer, you'll get it better.
Okay.
That lighthouse is the feature of the golf course.
Wow.
And you honestly want to see, because I actually have, and I'm carrying it with.
These houses are so pretty.
Those are little rental houses. If people come and golfing trips, they'll rent them out.
Oh.
Now this is the two courses. Here you are here now. If I just stop here, I want to stop here a wee bit. If you look to my side, please.
Careful.
Just watch the road coming.
Look what's wrong with it. Listen, I'm on tour in Scotland. Look where I am. Hold on. This is Trump. Remember, this is his golf course. And this is the lovely Clifford. Oh my goodness. And this is the course. All right. Oh, that's so pretty. Scotland flag, and it's so pretty. So, and the sun came out just for me, guys. The sun came out just for me. I'm here, and Clifford, he stopped. He stopped just for me. Thank you.
It was well worth that wee detour.
Yes.
Like I say,
Thank you.
the red roof.
Yeah.